Urhobo ado ikpakome migwe megonota kpare eta sansan ikuive sata siedi mudiakugbe. I want to talk about conversations between two persons in Urhobo language. Like meeting a fellow Urhobo for the first time in a strange land, there is bound to be conversations in dialect, and one among the two or more persons could be deficient of her indigenous language, and that could cause some inferiority complex. For the purpose of learning, I am transcribing the conversation act below between two persons, which could help as a guide in enhancing further understanding of others. Like e.g., how far na? Mabo Jerry. I dey o, mere o. Or Ojeyomi. What's the name? Deyo Denwe. My name is Ejiro. Odeme Ejiro. What about you? Kowewo. My name is Akpos. Odeme Akpos. I am Akpos, but most people know me as Junior Cha. Mere Akpos. Yeke vovo ikwo Junior. So where you come from? Ke itivowonure. I be Agbara man. Mere Okwore Agbara. Where that one come dey? Tivokoye Oyenaira. Na Ugeli North. Obekoto Rugele. Oh, that's true. I'm from Olomu, from Ugeli South. Gini uyota mere Okwore Olomu wevure Ekotore Berere Ugeli South. I greet you, bros. Miyeruwe Onioboroshari. Na me greet you pass. Omere Onyime Yeruwe. So what brought you here? Kidemuwe retine. Bros, na work o. Onioboroshari. Irwo. I dey work with one global ultimate bank. Mewunyave Asarada Werowo Tigo of Vorese Global Ultimate. But my family is in Delta. Eke Vovo, Ekrume, Evuri Delta. Nice one, bro. Oshewiyo Oniobomero Shari. I am fully based here with my family anyway. I am managing a wood factory around here. Mere Ve Ekrume Obone Oyaware Dia. Mewunyave Wevure Asarada She or Asarade Edegwe Ire. I am really happy to see one of my own person today. Omanabewerove mewomre okwome ovunonena. Well done, Wolulu. It's my pleasure, sir. Omawerove. Thanks a lot. Wekobiru mamo. Let me call you later so we can sit somewhere and talk proper. Jimmy say wobo rere. Ese wo kidia asalvo datuta. No wahala, bros. Ushohero onyovu. Odiodi erere odiodi koye ukeri rotame. Odiodi ugbo erere odiodi. That is 080. That is my phone number. Okay, Oyoma. Let me call you later so we can sit somewhere and talk proper. Jimmy say we obo rere ese okidiasanvo tuta. Okay, later then. Oyoma kesiefa. Nothing do you. Movoluwe. Bye for now. I go save the number right away. Emovoluwe kesiefa. Bike wie ukirota na wie ukokogorota me. Ere misiwe. That is the end of the little conversations I can teach for now. Take care of yourself and make sure you don't allow Urhobo language to go to extinction. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.